Crazy. It's so easy. I don't know how people get so tired. I'm carrying a backpack too.
Go away.
That pack's as big as you.
Jesus.
You tired?
Yeah.
Oh.
Looks like I got a damn beach ball on my back. Did you read the sign?
No.
And they were like, ah, like lifting them up. Not the horses, but the wagon. Literally up a rocky ass mountain. So there's your lesson for today's things, kids. People had it harder than you. Emergency stretch. Ah!
You survived.
Buddy.
All right.
Fire.
I did it.
Wave. Hannah's first time on the real rock, and I mean, it's just gorgeous out here. This is the spot. Still waiting on Scott. Hopefully he's all right, but we'll find him. Hey. There you go. All right. Way up there, hey!
Coming down.
You did it. She survived it.
Mission accomplished.
Perfect. We'll
Looks
see.
like a storm's a coming. Oh yeah. Sierra's Unforgiven.
One thing, this poor girl, for some reason, not my plan at all, we wind up in storms together.
Yeah.
On a boat,
He
on an
finds
airplane, while we're camping.
He's trying to kill me.
She hasn't broke up with me yet, so that's pretty good. Whew. Alrighty, let's see what we got here. In a hammock, inside the shelter, off the ground, by the fire.
Hi.
Hey, you warm?
Yeah.
You comfy?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Bye.
Survived it.
Shower time.
What, 3 days, no shower? You good?
Good.
Bye-bye, camp.